Hi, my name's Robert, and welcome to the video series where we are transforming my friend John's 1997 Volvo 850R. We're replacing the engine, converting it to a manual, and doing several other upgrades and modifications. I am at it, or should I say we are. We're about to run the wires through the wire loom for the gauges and whatnot. We got the bad engine on the engine stand for John to dissect some other time. As you can see, there's a little wetness there on the timing belt cover, so that could be a place where a leak has occurred. You got some wetness down here, probably from when we did the oil cooler block off, and a lot of oil in here. Could have been previous stuff, or who knows, current stuff. But at any rate, if you want to tear this down, do a discovery on it. Getting ready to put the mounts on this one, so it'll be ready to go in place. Man, these RN covers suck, man. Trying to get those things to be on properly, it's always a challenge. But again, getting ready to run some gauges through the wire loom, and then maybe take a part of this exhaust off to just get it out of the way. Get those O2 sensors out of the way, because we're not using that. We're using a wideband sensor. So here we go, the AEM performance gauges, oil pressure. This sensor will have to be screwed into the engine somewhere, or a adapter on the engine, and this harness will have to come off of it and go through the firewall. So this one will have to go through the firewall. This is a AFR. It has a line that plugs into the wideband O2 sensor, so it'll have to go through the firewall. This is a boost gauge. It has the ability to go through the firewall, but that's really not necessary on the Volvo, because we have a vacuum line inside the car. So this adapter will be screwed on there. That'll be under the dash, so that's good. So we only got two harnesses to go through the firewall, a couple wires just in case we need something else wired up there, and we should be good to go. I am clocking out for the day. Got a doctor's appointment, at least at this location. We got these tabs cut off for this old style coolant bottle. We got a piece here that's going to be attached here for the new style. We got the engine sitting on the mounts, no bolts in the mounts. We got the axles in, the knuckles in, the tie rods in. The only thing is torqued is the ball joint. Everything else is just fingered in, and we'll torque that stuff down as we move along. So catch you guys on this project tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.